My dear colleagues, mentors, family, friends, good evening. I stand before you humbled and grateful. As symbolized by this medallion, I carry the weight of all the lessons and achievements of the past, and I am quite intimidated by the enormous task to lead this magnificent academy to its golden age. Gold, one of the most precious metals on this earth, known for its dense, lustrous, malleable properties. This metal is durable and virtually indestructible. As the fifth decade of the Philippine Academy of Rehabilitation Medicine dawns upon us, we have shown our strength and unity as valiant physiatrists of our great organization. We have raised the bar in the practice of our specialty. Our contribution is valued and unquestioned, not only in the Philippines, but throughout the world. I am confident that we can soar and explore new horizons if we spread our wings and if we hold on together. The moment we entered a residency program in our training institutions, we chose this specialty. And in effect, we chose this academy. And it will forever be a part of us. Be proud. Raise your voice. Be counted. Speak up. Take action. Take ownership of this academy, for we are PAR.